Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting a first look at a game changer in the electric SUV market, the highly anticipated 2025 Lucid Gravity. Let's dive in and see what this electric behemoth has to offer. The Gravity takes clear inspiration from its sibling, the Lucid Air, with that signature sleek, aerodynamic design. But don't be fooled by the smooth curves. This is a full-size SUV, offering plenty of presence on the road. The front features a familiar Lucid light bar, and the whole body sits surprisingly low for an SUV, making it easy to get in and out. Step inside, and the Gravity truly shines. Open the expansive doors, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin bathed in light from a panoramic sunroof. The Gravity offers two seating configurations, a spacious 3-row for the ultimate family hauler, or a more captain's chairs-equipped option for a touch of exclusivity. Materials are top-notch, with a blend of leather, real wood accents, and a massive 34-inch curved display dominating the dashboard. But the Gravity isn't all about aesthetics. Here's where things get exciting. Lucid boasts a targeted driving range exceeding 440 miles on a single charge, putting range anxiety to shame. That's thanks to a next-generation electric powertrain that promises exhilarating acceleration while whispering quiet on the road. Now, let's talk about what sets the Gravity apart. Family focus. This isn't just another electric SUV. The Gravity boasts a thoughtful design with ample cargo space and a surprisingly roomy third row, making it a perfect fit for growing families. Tech haven. The Gravity is loaded with tech goodies. The massive curved display acts as your information and entertainment hub, while a suite of driver assistance features keeps you safe on the road. Luxury redefined. From the plush seating to the premium materials, the Gravity elevates the electric SUV experience to new heights of luxury. The 2025 Lucid Gravity is more than just an electric SUV, it's a statement. It promises exceptional range, stunning design, and a luxurious interior that rivals top-tier brands. With its focus on family functionality and cutting-edge tech, the Gravity is poised to redefine the electric SUV landscape. If you're looking for a powerful, luxurious, and spacious electric SUV that can handle your family adventures, the Lucid Gravity deserves a serious look. Thanks for joining me. Let me know what you think about the Lucid Gravity 2025 in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? And would you consider going electric for your next performance car? Let's discuss.